Hey future achievers, if you are tired of boring theory and want real practical skills that actually matter, you are in the right place. Welcome to Learn with Skillify, where we make you job ready with hands on learning, expert mentorship, and certified internships. Subscribe now and level up your career one skill at a time.
Welcome back to the MySQL Beginner to Pro series. Today, we're going to learn about subqueries in MySQL, a powerful way to nest one query inside another. Let's dive in. What is a subquery? A subquery is simply a query inside another query. It helps us write powerful and dynamic SQL queries, like comparing each row to the result of another query. Where can we use subqueries? Subqueries can be used in where clause, from clause, select clause. Let's see all of them one by one with practical examples. Types of subqueries. Single row subquery returns one value. Multiple row subquery returns more than one row. Nested subqueries. Subquery inside another subquery.
Now let's create a table 1, employees. Create table employees, empid int primary key, emp name varchar 50, dept id int, salary int. Insert into employees, emp id, emp name, dept id, salary, values. 1. Pranav 101,50,000, 2. Amit 102,45,000, 3. Neha 103,40,000, 4. Ravi 101,60,000.
Let's create table 2, departments. Create table departments, dept ID int primary key, dept name varchar 50. Insert into departments, dept ID, dept name, values, 101 IT, 102 HR, 103 Finance. Example 1. Subquery in where clause. We want to find employees who earn more than the average salary. Query. Select EMP name, salary, from employees, where salary is greater than, select AVG of salary from employees. Output shows only high-earning employees. Example 2. Subquery in from clause. Now, let's calculate the average salary per department using a subquery in the from clause. The query is select dept, average salary, from select department as dept, salary, from employees, as dept salary, group by dept. Output shows grouped average per department. Example 3. Subquery in select clause. We can also use a subquery inside the select clause to fetch related data. Query. Select employee name, select department name from departments where departments.deptid equals employees.deptid as department from employees. You get employee names with their department names. Here's the key difference between subqueries and joins. Subqueries are easier for small logic. Joins are better for performance with large data. Subqueries can be used inside where, select, or from. Pen interview questions. Some important questions interviewers might ask. What is a subquery and where can it be used? Can subqueries return multiple rows? Difference between join and subquery. What happens if subquery returns null? What's next? In the next episode, we'll learn about views in MySQL, how to create virtual tables for clean and reusable queries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue your SQL journey with us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to Learn with Skillify. See you in the next one.